Chapter 6, A Good Life Partner, Introduction. Welcome to our series on Thirukkural, an ancient Tamil text comprising of 1330 couplets that offer timeless wisdom on various aspects of life. Today, we dive into Chapter 6, which focuses on the importance of finding a good life partner. Hello, and thank you for joining us. Thirukkural, authored by the renowned poet Thirukkural, provides invaluable insights into the art of living a virtuous and fulfilling life. In Chapter 6, Thirukkural emphasizes the significance of choosing the life partner wisely and the profound impact it has on one's life. Verse 611 states, "To beget worthy offspring and establish a righteous family, a perfect partner should be chosen with the utmost care." Thirukkural recognizes the essential role played by a life partner in building a harmonious family and the subsequent positive impact on future generations. In this chapter, Thirukkural also highlights the qualities that define an ideal life partner. Verse 606 advises, "The most excellent of all marriages is the union of minds between a man and woman who are equals in virtue." Thirukkural emphasizes the importance of shared values, virtues, and a strong emotional connection for a successful and fulfilling partnership. Thirukkural emphasizes that mutual respect, understanding, and love form the bedrock of a strong and lasting relationship. Chapter 6 serves as a guiding light for individuals seeking a life partner and highlights the significance of a harmonious partnership based on trust, mutual respect, and shared values. Thirukkural's teachings continue to inspire and guide people in their pursuit of a meaningful and fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the insights from Thirukkural Chapter 6, A Good Life Partner. We hope you found this introduction enlightening. Stay tuned for more in-depth discussions on Thirukkural in our upcoming episodes.